Everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Microsoft booking page. And you've set up a booking page but no longer need deleting it is a simple process. So first you'll need to sign into your Microsoft 365 account, of course, and then head over to Microsoft 365 portal and log in with your credentials. And you can see here the Outlook. And once you're logged in, you can go to the app launcher in the top left corner. And next, you'll be taken to your booking calendar. So select the booking calendar you want to delete from the list of available calendars. In the left hand menu, click on booking page. This will bring up the settings for your booking page. So now you can scroll down to the bottom of the page settings and you'll see an options to say that delete. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to delete your booking page. So, of course, confirm and your Microsoft booking will be permanently deleted. And once you've deleted it, you will get a confirmation message that your booking page is no longer active and you can no longer accept new appointments there. And as you can see here, guys, that's it. Your Microsoft booking pages is now deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!